Hello everyone, welcome back to JTechClass. Class, blah blah blah. Today we're gonna be talking about Cisco Packet Tracer one more time. This time, I hope this audio is better than the last one. So Cisco Packet Tracer, awesome tool to design virtual networks and learn to config if you don't have the equipment or you don't want to break the equipment. Very important. Cisco Packet Tracer, as I say, an awesome tool. So I'm gonna start taking you a couple of spaces here. Let's close these. So I want to explain a little bit about Cisco Packet Tracer and what can you do with it. So over here you can create a new project. You can open project, save project, print the project, activity wizard. I don't know what is that for, but you can do an activity wizard there. You can create activities, I guess. Exit here, yes. So this copy and paste, go back, go forward, zoom. I don't know what is this for. So on this side here, we have our select tool. We have a sticky note tool, so we can create sticky notes, and that will be useful when we start doing documentation. This will be to delete the stuff. This one is an inspector, so we can inspection things like data gadget, inspector gadget. These are a couple forms. This to resize the shape, and these are PDU packets that we can use to test pings and that kind of stuff, to test the connectivity between devices. So down here we have our devices. So we have network devices that will be routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, firewalls or security, and then the cloud. On the other side, right beside network devices, we have end devices. Those will be personal computers, laptops, telephones, any kind of device that you can interact with it. These are homes, so we have products at home that we can configure through with the network. Smart city, so stuff we can do in smart city. Industrial components that we can connect to a network. There will be a lot of cameras there. And then power grill. These are like fans, ovens, that kind of stuff. So after that, we have components. It will be MCU boards, SBC boards, sensors, actuators. We have our connections, and if you go over it and then you come down here, you will see that the name of the connection. So these are generic, so it will detect it by itself. This console cable, this crossover, copper straight through, this crossover, fiber, and then there's a bunch more here. This is telephone, by the way. We have our miscellaneous, that's the one we use more. And then we have multi-user connectors. I still don't know what we use those for. So really quick, because we have 3 minutes already. If you want to put a switch on it, you go here. You can select 2960 and we just drop it here. Or you can select generic and just drop it there. If you want to delete it, we just click here, yes. And then just click here and it will be gone. If you want a router, it's the same. You go here. You can select any kind of router. You can select generic. Want to delete it? You go there, delete it. Hubs. So it will be the same process for all. Like for a computer, you want a generic PC, a desktop PC. You just click there and drop it, or you can just click, move it and drop it. I'm gonna delete that. Yes, yes. Select all tool. So any kind of device with connections. Let's get an example with a router there, and we're gonna have a computer here. So we'll connect the router and the computer via cable. That will be your copper straight cable. So we have a connection there. If we want the connection to work and we wanna see green lights, I'm gonna delete the router. I'm gonna put a switch on it. Select tool. Gonna put a switch in there. Gonna connect it with a straight cable, copper cable. Net one. Wanna fast forward time. There we go. So switch and computer connected. If these dots are on red, that means there is no connectivity. If those dots are on orange, it means that connectivity is slow or bad, but it has connectivity. If they are green, is that everything is good. I'm gonna delete all that. So this is pretty much what I wanted to explain. It will be the interface. You can go home city here. Still working on logic. We don't need to go there. So with documentation, as I was saying, if you want, you can put this router here. You can come here. Let's say router Miami. So that will be a router in Miami, and then you can put the IP, so you can document everything on that router. We're gonna select those two, and we're gonna say yes. Okay. So thanks for watching. That's pretty much all. I'm glad I keep you on the 6 minute. With the other video, I want to do the whole configuration of a switch and a router, but that will be a longer video, so I would do that one after. So hope you like it. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Awesome. Thank you so much again for watching. This is JTechClass, blabs, with tutorials and more, much more. It's been a long time. Much more. Have a great day. See you guys.